A NASA scientist discovery in the 60s is going to completely change your smile. Let me explain. In the 1960s, Bernard Rubin was a researcher at NASA in Cambridge, Mass. He was working to grow structurally and chemically perfect crystals for semiconductors, which are essential components of computers. He noticed that he could produce a high-quality crystal in silica gel instead of water. He noticed that this process, though, was very similar to the process of calcium phosphate crystallization in bones. The aspect of calcium phosphate that lends its hardness to bones is something called hydroxyapatite. He was like, wait, I know I'm using this process to make crystals for semiconductors, but I feel like this process could be used to help with bones, more specifically teeth. So he went and made a patent. He used this process to help make this hydroxyapatite. The patent was discovered by a company in Japan who went ahead and made it into a whole product, hydroxyapatite toothpaste. For years, this toothpaste was the gold standard of tooth care in Japan and is now just making its way to America. The best one I found is this Ollie right here. You can find it online on their website, but there's a 10% nano-hydroxyapatite formula, that same formula that Dr. Bernard Rubin used to help make crystals at NASA. That's really cool how science can lend itself to so many different ways, like helping your teeth get whiter and healthier. Hydroxyapatite is perfect for filling cavities, restoring your tooth enamel because it is your tooth enamel. Remember, the hydroxyapatite is a chemical that makes up that tooth enamel so that when you use it on a toothpaste, the hydroxyapatite fills the holes in your teeth, which are made of hydroxyapatite, and then just starts molding into your teeth, filling those cavities. Like I said, you can find Ollie on their website at olliesmile.com or just Google Ollie toothpaste.